Step how to download your videos from Amazon. So if you're an Amazon affiliate or Amazon influencer and you're looking to get the hard copy, maybe it's a file that you've deleted or different things like that and you're looking for it and it's on Amazon, this is how you download it. So you're going to go to your storefront right here, and I'm in the private view, not the public view, so I'm on my back end. Right here where it says manage content, you're going to click here and you're going to go down and click on your videos that you have submitted to the Amazon Influencer Program that end up on your storefront or on the Amazon. So you'll scroll down, you'll see all of your videos here. So these are all of my videos. So we're just going to go down to one that's right here. And I'm going to click on over here. And when I click on manage, it's actually going to pull up the video, and you'll see that I have my video right here. I have all of the description, all that kind of stuff. None of that really matters, but you're going to come down to right here, the three dots on the video, and you'll see the option to download. And it'll be the exact same file that you have uploaded to